Alrighty, so now I have my 3 lines and I'm going to apply my standard deviations. My standard deviation is 15. So I'm going to start going with my standard deviations in the positive direction. So one standard deviation with an increment of 15 above the mean would be 15 plus 150, which is 165. Then I'm going to add 15 more, which will get me 180. And if I add 15 more, I will get 195. All right, and if I go in the negative direction, one standard deviation below the mean would be 150 minus 15, which is 135. And then another step, 15 less, would be 120. And then from there, I would have 105. So this changes every time, every problem. What doesn't change is my percentages. So I'm going to go fill in my percentages. I have 34%. 13.5%, 2.35%, and 0.15%. And then meanwhile, I also have 34% on this side, 13.5% on this side, 2.35% on this side, and 0.15% on this side. Alrighty, so those are the same every time. You just got to memorize those or have a good chart to utilize. Now I'm ready to answer my questions. What percent of students who took the test scored above a 165? Well, above a 165, first I know that I should have a 165 in my chart, and I do. So above a 165 would be anything above a 165 would be all of these people here. So I can go ahead and add those together. I have 13.5% plus 2.35% plus 0.15%. And that, if you take the time, will be 16%. Alrighty. I am going a little quick, but if you have any questions, let me know. Sorry, that's got deleted. What percent of students would you expect to score between a 135 and 180 on the final? Well, between 135 and 180, here's my thresholds. So it's going to be between here, which is all of these percentages, which will put me 34% plus 34% plus 13.5 will give me a total of 81.5%. Alrighty, so it's not too bad, but make sure you practice with these notes. You take the time to do them, and then we'll practice on Monday together. Let me know if you have any questions.